I feel weird doing this.
That's okay. Just be you.
Hello, neighbors. It is I, Casey, and welcome back to Cooking with Neighbors. Today we're doing a Father's Day special, and Mom is videotaping and I am filming.
You're cooking.
Yes. And yeah, I'm not used to this, so I feel really weird. But we're doing, Father's Day special with our neighbor Linda, who link below. She's also going to be cooking and filming. Okay, so we are making a breakfast casserole. Right, Mom?
That's right, son.
Yeah, and I have some allergies. But anyway, so to start off, we will be using about a pound of sausage. This is 500 grams. So I will heat that up a little bit. And what you do with the sausages is easily just cut them open, because we don't actually want them to be like shaped like sausages. Oh man, I'm already...
Do you want a different knife or?
No. And you kind of rip it open. I mean, I think Mom's done this on the channel before, but whatever. I used to just do it by squeezing it out, this stuff.
Yeah, this is a new method for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the store didn't have the tubes of already ground sausage, so that's why we're doing it this way.
So what kind of sausage is this?
This is just a breakfast sausage, yeah.
Yeah, it smells like breakfast sausage.
Yeah, it's a breakfast sausage.
But it's really thick. It's thicker than most breakfast sausage.
Yeah, one of the other times that we made it, we used the little ones and we just cut them up because we couldn't find the tubes of sausage.
So then I will use this thingy. I'm going to turn down a little bit because I'm slow. Whenever I cook stuff, I always take about 2 times the amount of time that it normally actually takes, because I'm just not very fast.
That's okay. It still tastes good and it still gets done.
I think that's why I take so long when I do stuff, is that I always like make sure it's 100%. I think most people wouldn't really care.
You do you, man.
So I cut all that up in there. And now next we add bell peppers. So it's green pepper, red pepper, this, you could use anything, and some onions. Yeah,
we used a whole onion, but yeah, whatever.
Well, whatever, yeah.
So just until they're like a bit soft, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you can feel it with your wooden spoon if you feel it's soft enough.
Well, I mean, it's going to be sitting there while I scramble the eggs for a second.
Yeah, and you can turn it off if you want, or leave it on low, or whatever you want.
Okay, so I'm going to leave that on low. And then what we're going to do is, I'm using 1/3 of a cup of half and half milk. And let's hope that I can get it over there without spilling it. I did, so it's like 7 eggs. We also like to put some cayenne in our eggs.
We put about a little more than 1/4 teaspoon.
Yeah, and then we put only a little bit of salt. It's really just however much you feel like, and a bunch of pepper because I like pepper. And then I need a fork. So then we whisk this and make it scrambled eggs. Mom's using her camera and it has autofocus on it. My camera doesn't. So if it seems like she's better than me, she's not at filming. I'm better.
No, that's a kilogram bag.
This is, how many grams?
A kilogram.
It's a kilogram bag of like little hash brown bite things. And we pour the whole thing, whoops, into there. I spilled one.
That's all right.
And then we put sour cream into, it is a half cup. You mix it. So olive oil is, I cook with it always, even when it's not called for. So I will put olive oil at the bottom. And then you put half of this in, half of the hash browns. So then you do half this amount of cheese. How much cheese do we use?
We got a little more than 2 cups. It's really just a titch more than 2 cups. We usually use about 2 cups.
And you could just use any cheese. We used
Marble.
We used black diamond cheese. That's the only thing that And we'll use half of this meat. And kind of, I'm gonna push it around. And then we use the other half of these potatoes here, or hash browns, or whatever you want to call them.
Yeah, and you want the cheese to be last on the layer of this one.
Yes. Okay, so we use the other half of our hash browns.
I like the layering too, because it gives a lot of flavor throughout.
Yes. We push those around, and then we use the... Make sure that the cheese is the last layer that you put on this, on the last layer. So then we use the other half of our meat and mixture, whatever you want to call it. Wait, why are you holding it sideways?
Oh, because I was getting the sideways before.
Then put the rest of the cheese on. Mom's distracted me because she's taking like a horizontal flip phone camera angle of everything. All that is on. You will be pouring the scrambled eggs in there. And try to do it kind of evenly or whatever. And it's pretty crazy how much it like expands.
Yeah, it does. Like you don't need to use like a dozen eggs. We always find that 6, 7 works perfect. So we're gonna cover it with this.
All that I have to do for the rest of today is just put it in the fridge, and then we'll come back tomorrow and
we'll tell you how we cook it.
Finish this. Okay. Hello everybody. So we are back, and that felt weird. Hold on. Hello everybody. We are back, and it was in the fridge overnight, so now it is out, and we have the oven at 375. So we are going to put it in for 40 minutes, and then like with the cover on, and then we take the cover off, and then leave it in for another 20, and then it would be done. So. Hello everybody. So it was 40 minutes and 20 minutes. 40 minutes with it on, 20 minutes with it off and everything. The dog likes to sit as close as she can, just in case we drop any food. But we never do. I swallowed a nacho wrong. Okay. So it looks very good.
Yeah, it's very hot for you to do a taste test. You can just kind of show them with a spoon if you don't want to burn your lips off.
Okay, yeah. Well, it's just
The sausage.
it's like an amazing omelet that you get to cut pieces out.
That's true. That's a good way to describe it, Casey.
Ow. I love omelets. I burned my finger on the edge.
But there you go, guys.
Yep, that's pretty much it. And I also wanted to say, since this is a Father's Day special episode, Happy Father's Day to, well, I'm going to be saying it to my dad, but I also want to say on the video to my Papa Alec and Papa Skelly, I guess.
Papa Skelly in heaven, Papa
Yeah.
Alec here. Yeah.
I hope that Grandma makes this for you, Papa, because it's pretty good, and it's not too hard to make. And I don't know, it's kind of like an amazing breakfast thing, but we're making it here today a little late. And that's pretty much it. I don't know, what else is there, Mom?
Don't forget to go to Linda.
Don't forget to go to Linda's page, by the way. It's linked below. Are we done?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you, everybody.